Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can kind of like download an already like exported video on CapCut browser. So for instance, you've rendered or like exported this video and you don't want to export it again, you just want to download it. So you're just going to simply go to the CapCut like edit homepage. Then you're going to select the taskbar, and here you'll find a few items. Here you'll have like your projects here, and you'll have the exported stuff here. Now I also have these, but like I didn't really save it to this account, I think. So that's why I can't download it. But you can basically just simply download the ones that you've already exported, and it will just be downloaded once you clicked the download button. And I think it works only if you've downloaded it as well. Sorry. But yeah, that is it. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!